We're going to create the Purple Passion earring kit. We're starting out with 24 gauge artistic wire, and I'm going to run my Bracelet bring my wires up together. And to get them straight, I'm going to add my sterling silver bead cap. Now I'm going to pull down as hard as I can to get the placement of the cap. Then we add our 5mm bicone, Swarovski bicone. Now I'm going to add a large hole 3mm sterling silver bead. Now we have everything loaded. Now I'm going to do with both of my wires a gallery wrap, which is bringing my wires back towards me, taking the two ends over, straightening my tool, under, wrapping, sure everything's lined up and that I like how it looks. Then we just nip off our wire, making sure we get it nice and close, straighten everything, and then you can add your ear wire, and all you do is open the bottom of your ear wire and add it on. That's how the Purple Passion earrings are made.